Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 10th of June 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.37. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Unfortunately, the stock hasn't performed as expected, resulting in a loss of 2.14% so far. This translates to an average loss of 0.71% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 40.74% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 29.13% to 69.38%. In terms of a longer horizon, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 28.06%. Based on our evaluations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 2.44% and positive 115.30% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $311.31 and $687.4. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for Tesla stock after losing 2.24%. The Tesla stock price fell by 2.24% on the last day, Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, from $326.43 to $319.11. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.94%, with a day low at $316.88 and a day high of $332.55. The price has been moving up and down during this period, resulting in a 10.97% loss over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day, along with the stock, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should typically follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 18 million shares, with a total of 104 million shares bought and sold for approximately $33.08 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $488.54. And the lowest price was $176.92. Currently, the price is 34.68%, or $169.43, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tesla is set to expand its virtual power plant business in Japan, offering complementary storage batteries to companies to enhance energy management. This initiative could strengthen Tesla's position in renewable energy and diversify its revenue streams, which may positively influence its stock price over the long term as it aligns with global sustainability trends. However, Tesla faces challenges in the short term, including concerns regarding the valuation of its stock, which some analysts consider overvalued amid expectations for advancements in technologies such as robotaxis and full self-driving capabilities. With a tentative robotaxi launch scheduled for June 22nd in Austin, expectations are modest, which could temper investor enthusiasm and lead to volatility in the stock price. Additionally, Tesla's recent lawsuit against a former engineer for alleged trade secret theft could cast a shadow on its innovation capabilities, raising questions about internal management. This legal dispute also underscores the competitive pressures Tesla faces in the technology sector, particularly in robotics, contributing to investor caution. Trade uncertainty and a potential shift towards safer investments such as bonds further complicate the landscape for Tesla, especially as market sentiment shifts away from technology stocks observed in 2023 and 2024. While long-term prospects remain optimistic, the combination of short-term challenges and market conditions could create fluctuations in Tesla's stock price in the immediate future. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Tesla a grade of overweight and recommended a hold action. On Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley also assigned Tesla a grade of overweight with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush rated Tesla as outperform with a hold action suggested. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark gave Tesla a grade of buy along with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush again assigned Tesla an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts award the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Tesla's stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. However, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected around $313.16 and $316.69. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, some negative signals have been observed, which may impact short-term performance. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, with the stock having declined by 12.06% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which helps reduce overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, observed 13 days ago. Bollinger Bands, buy signal, noted 86 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, recorded 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, also noted 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal, identified 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, noted 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal, documented 13 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $284.70 and $282.76. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock tests a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this case, if Tesla's support at $284.70 is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be found at $282.76 and $272.20. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with decent trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $15.67 between its high and low, which equates to 4.94%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 5.84%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This exceptionally high PE ratio indicates that the stock might be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 30 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In case of an upward trend, The first resistance level for Tesla is at $326.09. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $284.70. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla, according to various analyst sources, is categorized as a sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Taneja Vaibhav, who bought and sold 22,640 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 53.884. In total, insiders acquired 1,102,872 shares, while selling 3,764,970 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $299.74, reflecting a decrease of 6.07%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 12 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Tesla stock to perform well in the near term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 13th of June, we anticipate Tesla to open higher by $3.74, starting the day at $322.85. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.